bagong taon na naman kaya marami ang nagsisimula ng kanilang Balik Alindog program ngayong 2026.
Balik Alindog, no? May mga tips ang isang expert kung paano magsisimula sa inyong fitness journey nang hindi masyadong gumagastos. Nasa frontline na balitang yan si Mobile Journal, Denise Valdez-Sancho.
New Year, new me na raw ang mantra ni Enzo. Napasarap daw kasi ang kain niya nitong December, dahilan kung bakit tumaas ang timbang niya.
Ang December kasi sa atin parang cheat month yan eh. Hindi yan cheat days eh.
Mula sa dating nasa 50 kilos, pumatak na sa 89 ang timbang niya noong holiday. That's why this 2026...
And then meron tayong target na toning, weight loss, and then talagang maging fit.
Si Imelda naman na nasa Balik Alindog era na rin matapos manganak, sinimula na rin ang pag-exercise.
So gusto ko pa rin mag-live longer yung life ko kasi nga tawag dito, bata pa yung anak ko.
Sa tala ng Department of Health, as of December 31, 2025, pumatak na sa 288 cases ang kabuang bilang ng stroke, heart attack at bronchial asthma. Ayon sa strength and conditioning coach na si Pawix Aguirre, it's never too late para sa mga natatakot at hindi alam kung paano simula ng fitness journey nila. Hindi rin daw kailangang gumastos ng malaki.
Run, walk, get your 10,000 steps every day. And then, of course, third, you can do your bodyweight exercises at home. I don't know how to do things, right? Well, of course, YouTube's free also, so you can just search.
Big factor din daw ang reason mo to stay fit para maging committed.
It's a trend. It's a thing every New Year that happens all the time. But I think I won't say it's a problem, but the thing is, people just looks at it in a very short term manner. What's that bigger why? What's your biggest vision? I think it's always on that. What's your vision for yourself, probably, and not only for yourself but for the people that you're surrounded with.
Nagbabalita mula sa Frontline. Mobile Journal, Denise Valdez-Sancho.
Mga kapatid, Cheryl Cosing po. Maging maalam at may pakialam sa mga napapanahong issue at headlines. Mag-follow at mag-subscribe na sa social media pages ng News 5.